Hello, and welcome back to the Herbal Keys. Today we're diving into an unsung hero of the plant world, an herb that's often overlooked, sometimes even considered a weed. We're talking about trifolium, better known as clover. You might be surprised just how incredibly versatile and beneficial this little plant can be. From transforming your soil to boosting your well-being, clover has some serious secrets to share. Are you ready to unlock these secrets and discover why clover might just be the missing link in your home and garden ecosystem? We're about to explore the top 10 ways clover transforms your outdoor space. And while you're getting ready to be amazed, make sure you hit that like button, share this video with that lucky bestie of yours, and stick around to the end for even more herbal wisdom. Let's dig in. Clover is an absolute superstar for your soil. It works as a natural nitrogen-fixing powerhouse, pulling nitrogen directly from the air and enriching your soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Planting clover as a cover crop over winter will loosen that heavy soil, making it much healthier and more productive for your spring planting. If you're battling with clay soil that compacts like concrete, a dense stand of clover, whether in a dedicated bed or as a living mulch, will gradually break it down over time, leading to richer, darker soil that absorbs water like a sponge instead of letting it run off. This dual action means healthier, more resilient soil, better drainage, and improved nutrient availability for all your plants. Tired of constant weeding and thirsty lawns? Clover, especially white clover, forms a dense, low-growing mat that effectively outcompetes undesirable weeds for sunlight and nutrients. Instead of bark mulch around your fruit trees, establish a patch of white clover. Its thick growth will naturally smother out weeds like dandelions and crabgrass, and it will remain vibrant and green even during summer dry spells without constant watering. Consider overseeding a thirsty fescue lawn with microclover. It will establish quickly, create a soft, low-growing green carpet that requires significantly less mowing, and keep your yard looking fantastic even when your neighbor's traditional lawns are turning brown. This organic approach to weed control saves you time, money, and reduces the need for herbicides, while providing a beautiful, resilient, and eco-friendly alternative to a traditional lawn. Clover flowers are an absolute feast for pollinators, especially bees. Their abundant nectar and pollen provide a vital food source, supporting the health of our invaluable bee populations, which are crucial for our food supply. If you want to attract more bees to your vegetable garden to pollinate your squash, tomatoes, and peppers, simply letting some clover patches flower nearby will bring them right in, boosting your harvest. Have a corner of your yard that's just grass? Letting some white clover grow and bloom there creates an instant mini pollinator garden, providing a much-needed pit stop for honeybees and bumblebees alike. By planting clover, you're not just helping your garden. You're contributing to the larger ecological health of your local environment and supporting biodiversity. If you have small livestock like chickens, rabbits, or even goats, clover provides an excellent nutritious food source. It's rich in protein, minerals, and vitamins, contributing to their overall health. If you have a small flock of backyard chickens, allowing them to graze on a clover patch in a contained run provides them with essential nutrients and keeps them entertained, reducing your feed costs. Beyond domestic animals, clover is a vital food source for local wildlife, supporting deer, rabbits, and other herbivores, especially in rural or semi-rural areas. You could designate a small, unmowed area on the edge of your property to clover. It will become a magnet for local wildlife, offering a natural buffet and contributing to the biodiversity of your land. Clovers offer a variety of colors that can add visual interest and beauty to your landscape. You can find clovers with deep purple, bronze, or even variegated foliage, along with flowers in white, pink, crimson, and rosy red. Imagine incorporating Trifolium repens, purpurascens quadrifolium, with its striking dark purple leaves, creating a unique, living tapestry that adds depth and contrast to your garden design. You could create a stunning spring display by planting crimson clover, Trifolium incarnatum, in a meadow area or a large pot. Its brilliant, cone-shaped red blooms are incredibly eye-catching and will make a dramatic statement in your garden. These colorful varieties offer a simple, low-maintenance way to bring diverse textures and hues into your outdoor and sometimes indoor spaces. Many varieties of clover, especially white clover, are edible and surprisingly nutritious. The leaves, stems, and flowers can be added to your diet for a boost of vitamins and minerals. You can easily forage fresh white clover leaves and add them to your salads for a mild, slightly sweet crunch, or even blend them into a green smoothie for an extra dose of nutrients. The flower heads of white clover can be used to make a delightful and subtly sweet herbal tea, a perfect way to enjoy the plant's benefits from your kitchen. It's a fantastic way to incorporate wild edibles into your diet and connect with nature, knowing you're consuming a plant that's likely growing right outside your door. Now let's talk about the home aspect, specifically focusing on red clover, Trifolium pratense. Red clover contains isoflavones, plant compounds that can weakly mimic estrogen in the body. This is why it's a popular herbal remedy for women experiencing menopause symptoms. Many women report that regular use of red clover supplements helps alleviate hot flashes and night sweats. While research is ongoing and results can vary, it's often explored as a natural alternative to maintain strong bones. For those looking for a natural approach to manage both menopausal discomfort and proactively support bone density, incorporating a red clover supplement under professional guidance could be a part of your holistic wellness strategy. Clover is an absolutely invaluable resource for beekeepers. Its abundant blossoms are rich in nectar and pollen, providing a steady and reliable food source for honeybees throughout the growing season. If you're a beekeeper looking to increase your honey harvest, encouraging large patches of white or red clover in nearby fields or pastures will provide your bees with a continuous premium buffet, allowing them to produce more honey more efficiently. That delicious, light-colored honey you often see in jars labeled clover honey, it's a testament to the sheer volume and quality of nectar that clover provides. The honey produced predominantly from clover nectar is highly prized for its light color, mild flavor, and delicate sweetness, making it one of the most popular varieties worldwide. Its reliability as a nectar source makes it a strategic plant for sustainable apiculture. Clover is deeply intertwined with ancient mystical folklore, particularly concerning fairies, elves, and other magical beings. Some myths claim that lush clover patches mark their gathering places. Finding the famous four-leaf clover was believed not just to bring general luck, but to grant the bearer the unique ability to see these elusive entities. This magical connection extends to its use in powerful charms and protective rituals. Its presence in a garden or home was often seen as a sign of good spiritual energy and a deterrent for malevolent magical forces. Throughout European history, clover was often scattered on thresholds or woven into wreaths to ward off negative influences, showcasing its long-standing role as an amulet of mystical defense. Perhaps the most famous cultural symbol derived from clover is the shamrock, a young sprig of clover deeply rooted in Irish heritage. Beyond this national emblem, the rare four-leaf clover stands as a universally recognized symbol of good luck and fortune worldwide. The shamrock is famously associated with Saint Patrick, who is said to have used its 3 leaves to illustrate the concept of the Holy Trinity. The four-leaf clover specifically is cherished for its rarity, and the excitement of finding a four-leaf clover is a universal experience. Its image is widely incorporated into jewelry, logos, and popular culture as a tangible representation of good fortune and well wishes. Each of its 4 leaves is traditionally believed to represent faith, hope, love, and luck. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 ways clover transforms your outdoor space. From revitalizing your soil and attracting vital pollinators, to its vital role in honey production, enchanting folklore health benefits, and even being your garden's lucky charm, clover is truly a remarkable plant with a rich story to tell. Whether you're a seasoned gardener looking for sustainable solutions or someone exploring natural wellness, I hope this video has inspired you to look at clover with new eyes. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of herbs and want to keep unlocking nature's secrets with us, then it's time to join our community. Don't forget to subscribe to the Herbal Keys for more amazing plant profiles, gardening tips, and natural wellness advice. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a dose of herbal wisdom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.